Still images on moving videos look like ass, and the simple fix is to add movement to your graphics. The Wobbly Boi is an effect that makes your graphics hover and shake around. Here's some examples, and here's how you build it in Davinci Resolve. In your editing timeline, right-click on your graphic and open it in the Fusion page. Drop a transform node on the line between your media in and media out. If the node drops in somewhere else, you'll need to manually connect the line to be able to see what you're editing. Select the transform node. In the Inspector tab, right-click on Center, hover over Modify With, and choose Perturb. Now click on Modifiers, and you can see the settings to manipulate the graphic's movement. The X and Y values are how much your graphic is going to be moving horizontally or vertically. Values of 0.2 or less tend to look the best for subtle movement. My recommendation is to start near the values I'm providing, and tweak it afterwards until you get the desired direction or movement of your graphic. Strength is how much your graphic is being pulled around by the effect and the X or Y values. I usually set this between 0.2 and 0.45. Wobble is how much your graphic shakes while following the movement. I usually set this between 0.3 and 0.5, or slightly higher than the strength value. Speed is how fast your graphic is moving. I usually set this between 0.2 to 0.35. The random seed is the pattern that the image is going to float around in. It's typically a direction, a wavy line, or a circle. And honestly, you click randomize until you're happy with the pattern your graphic's moving in. And now, when you go back to your editing timeline, your graphic will be wobbly. Here's all the values for the effect summarized, and an example pulled from this video. Enjoy your wobbly editing.